In this video, I will show you how you can fix the setup incomplete issue in the Find My app on your AirPods 4. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID, and from here, just tap on Find My. Now if Share My Location is enabled, just turn it off, and after that, just tap on Find My iPhone. And from here, just disable Send Last Location, Find My Network, and also disable Find My iPhone. Now to disable Find My iPhone, just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then tap on Done, and you will disable Find My iPhone and Share My Location. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, now just go back to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, and tap on Find My. Now just enable Share My Location, and after that just tap on Find My iPhone and enable Find My iPhone. Now also enable Find My Network and Send Last Location. After you've done that, now just make sure that you have paired your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on the name of your AirPods. Now just scroll down, and from here just make sure that Find My Network is turned on. Currently I don't have this feature above showing Find My, but if you find this option over here, just enable it. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Now just make sure that Location Services is enabled on your iPhone, and after that just tap on Find My. Now if it is on Never, just select while using the app, and also enable Precise Location. And after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then go back to Settings, and in the main settings page, just tap on Bluetooth. Just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name, and from here just select Forget this device. Tap on Forget Device. Now after you've done that, now just place both of your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on the charging case. As you can see, this is the first double tap, the second, and the third. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on the charging case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now just close the lid of your AirPods and wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just pair your AirPods back with your iPhone, and this will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the setup incomplete issue in the Find My app on your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.